We're going to practice make and do. First of all, I'd like to say that yes, there are rules for make and do. Make is usually something that you construct or that you physically do, you physically make with your hands. For example, make a cake. And do is for actions that don't involve constructing things. This is a rule. There are many exceptions, probably more exceptions than follow the rules, so you need to be careful, and it's probably a good idea to try to remember them and that they sound good. Okay, so yes, by all means, go to the internet and look for the rules for make and do, but let's do a quick check here. Get a pen and paper, make a list with two sides, one with make and one with do. And I'm going to say some things and you put it under the correct list, okay? So if I say cake and you think it's with make, put it under the list of make. Ready? Okay. A list. Food. An effort. Your best. Exercise. A profit. Anything. Work. Business. A report. Friends. A complaint. A phone call. Research. Okay, so let's check. Are you ready? See how you did. The list for make are these. Okay, make a list. Make food. Make an effort. Make a profit. Anything with money, make a profit, make money. Make friends. Make a complaint. And make a phone call. The rest are with do. Do your best. Do exercise or do exercises. Exercise being the physical exercise of your body, and exercises being, for example, English homework. Do anything, do nothing, do something, do everything. Do work. I need to do some work. Do business. Do a report. And do research. So how did you do? My name is Sabrina Doherty from Inglés con Kilian. If you like that, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.